Welcome back everyone to Ate Interior channel. Later this year, or in 2027, Kia Sportage will be officially presented as the next generation small-sized SUV to replace the current model which was facelifted in 2024 or 2025 depending on the market. We have illustrated how exterior and interior of the new Kia Sportage 2027 could look. Please let us know if you like it. Let's go.